Hello everyone, today we are making tea. It's not really tea. Yeah, it's not really tea. It's just like 3 ingredients. So first you want go a mug, any type of mug. White mug, Christmas mug, Halloween mug, anything you want. Then you want these, but you want them cut up. So let's grab these. In 3, 2, wait, actually no. And so first, as like I said, a mug and lemon, cut up lemon, honey, and hot water. If you don't have hot water, use boiling water. Just boil your water. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, let's go. If you're little like me and you don't drink that much, just put a little bit. But if you're bigger, get a lot. So for me, I need hot water. That's enough. Let's go back to wait. Let's go back. Okay, we are back, and now we need the honey. Let me go grab it. Okay, now I have my honey and the lemon and my boiling water. Then you want a spoon, teaspoon, but I have only black. Let me go grab that real quick. Okay, now I have my teaspoon, so now we need to fill up the spoon. Let me show you guys. We need to fill up the whole thing. I'll clean that up later. Like that. Then put it and mix. Once it's all yellow, or whatever you want to color it, now you want to cut up lemons. Then squeeze them in there. Juicy. Get another one. Squeeze. Okay. Now, stir. Actually, I should close this first. This tea is good for your throat and it's really hot. So you may want to blow in it a little bit so it can be warm. But when it gets cold, you might want to redo it. Let's try this. Really good. Perfect for your throat. Make sure you do this when you're sick. Like if you have a cough or sore throat. Real good. Or you can have this any time. Bye guys. Feel better. Or if you're sick. I don't know. Bye.